In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect multiple data sources in Power BI. This is an incredibly useful skill for anyone looking to leverage diverse data sets in their Power BI reports, and I'll guide you through the process step by step. When you're starting a new report in Power BI, the first thing you'll notice is a set of options inviting you to connect your data. These are displayed as soon as you create a new report, offering a variety of sources to best suit your needs. Now, once you've connected to your initial data source, you'll find that it appears conveniently on the right side of your screen in the data pane. This is your hub for managing and exploring the data you've just imported. But what if you want to enrich your report with more data sets? This is where Power BI truly shines in its flexibility and ease of use. To add more data sources, your journey starts in the Home tab, located at the top of the Power BI interface. This is your command center for all things data related. Scan for the data section and you'll find several appealing options, such as connecting to Excel, OneLake, SQL Server, or Dataverse. There's also an option to manually enter data if that's what your project requires. To dive deeper into what's available, click on the Get Data dropdown. This action unveils a list of all the connection possibilities, presenting a pathway to integrate a variety of data sources into your report. All you need to do is select the connection type that matches your needs and follow the prompts to establish the link. It's as simple as clicking through the options presented and selecting the one that matches the data source you're interested in. Once selected, follow any additional prompts to complete the connection. And with that, you've seamlessly added another data source to your Power BI report. And that's really all there is to it. The beauty of Power BI lies in its simplicity and power, allowing you to bring together multiple datasets effortlessly. This opens up a world of possibilities for analysis and insights, giving you the tools to create comprehensive, data-driven reports. Thank you for joining me today. I hope this guide has made the process clearer and has empowered you to confidently connect multiple data sources in Power BI. As you continue to explore and utilize these powerful features, you'll find that integrating diverse data becomes an intuitive and exciting part of your data analysis journey.